Hello guys, welcome to my channel Zeligo World TV. In today's video, I'll be teaching you guys how to impute your dashes and your dots on Hamster Kombat for your daily cipher codes. Okay, so you start by entering the game and then you tap on the N per tab button 3 times. The N per tab button is located at the top left side of your screen. Tapping on the N per tab button 3 times switches the Hamster Kombat game from the normal mode to the cipher mode, where you can now impute your dots and dashes. If you do not switch, then you will only be tapping to earn coins for each tap. You'd notice that when it's in the normal mode, the hamster circle is colored blue, but when you switch to the cipher mode, it's colored red. Now that you're in the cipher mode, the next thing to do is to enter your code in Morse code for the day by tapping on the hamster. The Hamster Kombat Cipher code is comprised of 2 characters, a dot and a dash. So for each letter from A to Z, you have a dot, a dash, dots, dashes, or a combination of dots and dashes. Having said that, to impute a dash, what you do is hold down the circle with the hamster. So using your finger, you press the hamster and hold it down. When you do this, a dash appears. And then to impute a dot, you quickly tap the circle with the hamster. So you just tap it, tap, and the dot comes up. Once again, for a dash, you hold down the circle with the hamster. So you press it down. And for a dot, you quickly tap the circle with the hamster and you get a dot. And that's it. I hope you're able to do this. So here's the international Morse code for all the letters and numbers. You can use this to figure out how to impute your codes for each day. Thank you for watching my video. So please go ahead to like, comment, share, subscribe, and see you in my next video. Bye.